Good morning, everyone. I'm extremely sorry for the delay. So now let us begin. Myself, Purnima Nalaude. I'm a student of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies, Aurangabad, and here I welcome you all to this fun coding and inspirational event hackathon. We are so happy to tell you that Devgiri College has collaborated with Renex.ai and Google Crowdsource for this event. This is our first of many events which we are going to conduct. Each one of them is unique in their way. So stay connected to us for the further events as well. Beginning with today's event, we have with us our respected director sir, Dr. Ulla Shurkar sir. We have our mentors for this hackathon and our enthusiastic teams who I'm sure will definitely find amazing solutions to the problem statements which will be provided to them very soon. Before starting with the event, I would like to explain the rules for the hackathon to you all. You must treat all the team members, competitors, judges, coaches, volunteers, etc. with respect and courtesy. Hackathon teams will be maximum of 4 members. All prizes are to be shared between all the team members. All teams should be present at the event. Teams of course can gain support and advice from the organizers and mentors. All work on the project should be done during the hackathon. Teams can use libraries, frameworks, or open source codes for their projects. But coding open source before the event and open source coding for the sole purpose of using the code for the event is against the rules and is not allowed. Team must stop hacking once the time is up. However, teams are allowed to make small fixes to their programs after the time is up. Teams can be disqualified from the competition at the organizer's discretion. All the ideas and codes must be original and developed specifically for the event. So these were the rules, which will be looked after very seriously. This competition is a friendly competition and will improve our ability to work as a team. So let's keep it healthy. Now I request our respected director sir to address the participants and mentors for today's events. Over to you, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible. Yes, sir, you're audible.
It is Prajakta, Bhavesh, and Pratik. I am really very happy that the very first of its kind of hackathon is arranged by my first year students. And there are good number of entries all over India, and we can say it is a pan-India competition. And it is supported by Linux and Google Workforce. I was thinking what I should talk with you. But what I'm looking with all the students, the future, I'm looking the personality like Elon Musk, owner of Tesla, or Phanindra Sabha, who is owner of Redbus, all startup companies. And there are lots of startup example of startup companies, the technology-based companies. And what is my expectation from all of you? Whatever the subject you are studying, don't study it for examinations, study it for knowledge and technology, and so that you can be a role model in the future. It is very nice that this is what the leadership from the department, leadership from the faculty, leadership from the HOD, leadership from the students. hello, leadership from the students, and we all have conducted this hackathon competition. No doubt, because of this situation today, which is a really disturbing situation for all of us, we are conducting this competition online, and definitely when the situation will be over, we'll conducting it on a larger scale in offline mode. Normally, with this situation, the industry is called the VUCA. It's a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguity. We are not knowing what is happening. Ambiguity, just 8 to 10 days back, what we are saying that COVID is nowhere now. Very few patients are there. And particularly in Maharashtra, the number of patients are increasing in a geometrical manner, exponential manner. Volatile. But I'm very sure that the volatile can be converted into victory. The VUCA A is the ambiguity. If our attitude and approach is going to change to the attitude, and definitely we, the students, we, the faculty, we, the technocrats, can change the situation. I wish all the best to the participants. Make it a habit to participate in various competitions, attend the various seminars, workshop, at least read one new thing. Tremendous material is available on the net. I have to give around 4 to 5 minutes or maximum 10 minutes to acquire a new thing. So that if I'm in first year, around 4 years, maybe 13 to 1400 days, you will be aware of 1400 technology, 1400 things, and so on. So at least everybody will give 5 to 10 minutes, and so that you will get the new idea of business and other things. Congratulations to computer science department, the HOD, the teaching faculty, and the first year students for arranging such a great competition. I'm really very, very happy. And that's why I'm saying thank you to all, because you made me happy. Thank you once again. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. To now, dear teams, the participants, you all will be given specific timelines to contact the mentors through Google Meet. The link will be provided on your WhatsApp groups as per the team names. I request everyone now to go through the PDF file of the problem statements provided to you on the WhatsApp group. And after finalizing your problem statements, I request you to fill the declaration form provided on the same WhatsApp group. All the participants must submit the declaration form by 10:25 a.m. and at 10:30 you will be indicated to start with your hacking. If you have any queries about the problem statements, we are always here to help you. Alright then, I wish you all a very best to the teams and see you all very soon. Thank you. Thank you for attending the meet. Now inauguration is over. You all can leave now. The problem statement are being given on the WhatsApp group.